Fly like a bird, what you heard, El Morton, big bird, I'm what's up,
Not dance. Your daughter cannot dance.
Well, you know what's funny? We said the same thing about your little girl.
Bitch, you don't want to go there with me.
I just thought it was hysterical to see Jill trying to get like all hood rat.
Your big mouth, and I'll tell you who started it. Shut the blank up.
And Black Patsy's all like,
Oh, I'm like, whoa, whoa.
Playing the victim stuff is so old.
I won't be a victim to you. No, I'm not sick. You're sitting there saying the whole time while Eliana can hear it that it's going to be Eliana's fault that this group piece loses.
How could you say things like that?
So you can go and continue to take fierce side over the people who have been here for 4 years for you. 4 years, Abby. You're completely too bitches. Standing there or using your ass. God, someone shut her up.
Yolanda, anytime you say that I said something negative about your kid, it's a lie.
Role for Drop Dead Diva. I don't know if everybody was truly happy that Maddie got the role. It could have been any one of the kids that auditioned for it. Melissa told me that you said it was rigged.
I'm entitled to my opinion because I'm 42 years old and I'm a free American citizen, so I get to say whatever I want and believe whatever I want. I stand on my credentials and my knowledge.
That's something you can never take away.
Then fix this hair, because it's horrible. And why don't you fix your hair and fix your face and your body and everything else?
That's fine. When I join your dance company, I'll do it.
Let's start critiquing people. Let's start with you. Look in the mirror.